Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the next artifact, Sprint Backlog. Sprint Backlog is a subset of product backlog. If you look at our case study in Sprint 1, we have picked up fan and kitchen furniture. So that is our Sprint Backlog for Sprint 1. Let's get into some more features or some more detailing of Sprint Backlog. A sprint backlog can be looked from three dimensions. Why it exists, that is being defined by a sprint goal. What it comprises of, it is a subset of product backlog, as I said, and how the team is going to deliver that work is also part of sprint backlog. So, given say a 20 requirement by product owner in a given sprint, if the team decide during a sprint planning that they are only able to deliver 5, that 5 constitute sprint backlog for sprint 1. Now if you combine these 5 items, you create 1 or 2 sprint goals that the team is trying to achieve in a given sprint. Whether it's 3 weeks or 4 weeks, that is based on your sprint duration. Product backlog is being owned by product owner. A sprint backlog is being owned by Scrum team or developer. It's the sole discretion of the developers. And that's what you see in point 2. Sprint backlog is planned by and for the developer. Sprint backlog contains commitment towards sprint goal. We have seen product backlog is a commitment toward product goal, and the sprint backlog is commitment towards sprint goal. Sprint goal create coherence, focus, and encourage team to work together. In a given sprint, when the team discuss during daily scrum sprint backlog every single day, then they are focused and they know that they are moving towards or marching towards sprint goal, and that create a combined energy to which the team achieve difficult tasks. The image that you see here is also represent a sprint backlog described through Jira. Jira and Confluence are the most powerful tool and most widely used across organizations to implement Scrum. In my other videos, in different courses, I also teach how to set up Jira and Confluence. As a Scrum Master, certification is one part, but having a strong foundation of Jira and Confluence or any other tool will also give you an edge over others. Same goes for product owner as well. If you know these tools in detail, then you will be able to define your product much better, whether it's your product goals, whether it's product backlog, whether it's acceptance criteria, whether it's prioritization. That will be really helpful. In short, sprint backlog is a subset of product backlog. It is a plan for and by the developer, and it represents sprint goals. Sprint backlog and product backlog are just the ingredients that the team is currently working on. Let's see in the next artifact how your final dish has come out, and whether it's delicious or not, that will be governed by our next artifact called increment. Thank you very much.